Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to activate double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Moto G34. If you double tap on the home screen, that is if you double tap on empty space in home screen, your phone screen will be turned off, but now it's not activated, so that it's not turned off. So to activate it, you go to the settings of our phone, go to settings, then go to home and lock screen, then go to lock screen, then go to put the display to sleep, and you go to turn on this button, use put the display to sleep. Now go to home page and double tap on empty space in home page. The phone screen will be turned off. So in this way you can easily turn off the screen using double tap on the empty space in home screen. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.